So want to make Pookolam and you cannot find flowers anywhere? You can make them with paper. Let me show you how. So I bought 5 different colors of crepe paper. So the process is very, very easy. So what I did is I basically got a 100 centimeter into 50 centimeter crepe paper, and it's already folded like this. So I folded it once more. And then what you need to do is make cuts like these, like mostly 7 to 8 cuts. And then you cut it into pieces like these. And then what I did is I took each piece and then rolled it into pieces like these. So it looks like this. Made it with all the colors. Take a chart paper and draw the design of your Pookolam and then decide your colors where you want to place them. So start by applying glue to one single area and then sticking these paper rolls one by one. You have to be careful when you do lighter colors and darker colors together, because sometimes the colors can bleed to each other. So I would suggest that do one portion at a time and then let it dry and then start the next portion. So this whole thing actually takes like 8 to 9 hours. I did it in 3 days and it was actually very tedious. The best part about this Pookolam is this can be reused and can be used for other decorations as well. And this is how the final result would look like. So hope you like this small technique of making the Pookolam, and happy Onam to everybody.